So I came down to Thousand Oaks today to pick up some tools, and I brought my batteries and drone. Fucking was like hiking on this trail. It was badass, and I noticed that there's gliders flying all around me, and I was like, man, where are these gliders flying from? So I hiked like probably, I don't know, a mile and a half, 2 miles to get where these gliders were flying, because I really wanted to see them. I haven't seen these guys fly since I was like 14, I think, or 13. And as soon as I walked up to the airfield, I'm greeted by some fucking asshole who wants to just immediately start with no drones are allowed to fly here. And then asked me if I got a Part 107. These motherfuckers. Anyways, I'm just bitching. They're fucking idiots. I'm gonna hike, and then I'm gonna find another trail and fly, because fuck these dudes. That's what I'm saying. Fuck these motherfucking goddamn dudes. Really trying to regulate the airspace. Are you fucking kidding me? You glider pilots are trying to regulate the airspace and bitch about Democrats. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, I'm done. I'm not gonna rant anymore.